Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and today we're diving into an exciting topic that's making waves in the world of finance and technology. We're going to explore RWA tokenization, or real-world asset tokenization, and how it's shaping the future of investment. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's unravel this complex yet fascinating concept together. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about how we can make tangible assets like real estate, art, or even commodities more accessible to everyone? Well, RWA tokenization is one of the answers to that question. So, what exactly is RWA tokenization? In simple terms, it refers to the process of converting physical assets like real estate, precious metals, or artwork into digital tokens that exist on a blockchain. This process allows these assets to be traded, owned, and transferred in a digital format, making investments more accessible and efficient. Let's break it down further. Imagine you own a piece of real estate valued at $1 million. Traditionally, investing in real estate requires a substantial amount of capital, not to mention the complicated processes of buying and selling. However, with RWA tokenization, you can divide that property into digital tokens. Let's say you create 1,000 tokens, each representing a 0.1% stake in the property. Now, instead of needing $1 million to invest, someone can purchase just one token for $1,000. This opens up real estate investment to a much broader audience. According to a report from the World Economic Forum, the tokenized asset market could reach $24 trillion by 2027. That's a staggering figure, and it highlights the potential that RWA tokenization holds for democratizing investment. Now, let's look at another example: art. Traditionally, investing in high-value artworks has been reserved for the wealthy. But with RWA tokenization, fractional ownership becomes a reality. Consider a famous painting worth $10 million. Instead of one person buying it outright, it can be divided into 10,000 tokens, each worth $1,000. This allows multiple investors to own a piece of the artwork, and as its value appreciates, so does the value of each token. This not only makes investing in art more inclusive, but also creates liquidity in the art market, which has historically been quite illiquid. Investors can buy, sell, or trade their tokens on various digital platforms, making it much easier to enter and exit investments. So how does this all work? The backbone of RWA tokenization is blockchain technology. When assets are tokenized, they are recorded on a blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger. This means that every transaction involving the asset is transparent, secure, and verifiable. Smart contracts, automated contracts that execute when certain conditions are met, can also be implemented, ensuring that the terms of the investment are adhered to without the need for intermediaries like banks or brokers. Now, while the benefits of RWA tokenization are clear, it's important to consider some of the challenges as well. Regulatory concerns are a significant hurdle. Different countries have varying laws regarding asset ownership and investment, which can complicate the tokenization process. Additionally, ensuring that the physical asset is properly valued and maintained is crucial. If the asset deteriorates, its value will decline, and so will the value of the tokens. Despite these challenges, many companies are already leading the charge in RWA tokenization. For instance, platforms like Realty are allowing investors to purchase fractional ownership in real estate properties through tokenization. Realty calculates returns based on rental payments and property appreciation. Meanwhile, Curio Invest is enabling investment in luxury cars through tokenized assets, bringing high-value collectibles into the digital investment space. In summary, RWA tokenization is revolutionizing how we think about and invest in real-world assets. By breaking down barriers to entry, enhancing liquidity, and ensuring transparency through blockchain technology, it has the potential to democratize finance like never before. As we continue to explore this exciting frontier, we'll undoubtedly see more innovations and applications emerge. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities of RWA tokenization? If you found this video informative and intriguing, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. And, of course, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions on this topic. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of finance and technology. See you soon.